So for one of my websites, I'm getting around 10,000 in organic traffic every single month. The crazy thing is that website only has like 40 blogs on it. 2 of those pieces of content are what brings me 40% of the entire search volume. And you know how I did that? By being a hater. And I'm gonna show you how you can do the same.
All right, let's dive right in. And I apologize in advance for the awful audio, but I'm not at the home studio right now, but I had to get a video out there. First thing I want to do is search the keyword that I'm targeting, just so you guys get an idea of the search volume and the difficulty for these 2 pieces of content. So the first one is Fitbit HRV. So we can see the search volume is at 390. The keyword difficulty on Ubersuggest is 62. It's a bit lower on other ones. I've already checked. So if we do a quick Google search of that, you're going to see what I've done with the title. Where are we? Right away. So we are just, usually I've seen this kind of nestled in between these 2, but you can see what I've done here. Fitbit caught lying about heart rate variability. So provocative title, and you guys can make it as provocative as you can, as you want. You can say, well, Fitbit is a lying bag of shit, fucking ass, whatever. But do that at your own discretion. And just to make sure, I'll search from a different location to make sure that it's not kind of still cached in my system. I use this website for that. Let's take a big city, Los Angeles, lots of search volume. And let's see where we are. See here, I'm actually up a bit. So like I said, I'm between these 2 Fitbit official websites. I'm ahead of Reddit, a bunch of other ones that I'm not too familiar with, but that's what I did. So for that one, I changed the title. And for another one, I'm going to show you. This one is alternative. I think this one's a bit richer. Yeah. 720 search volume, so a lot higher. And the keyword difficulty is much easier, but let's update that, shall we? All right, so it moved up a little bit. All right, now let's give it a search so I can show you what I've done. Let's do the same search. And here I'm actually number 1. Okay, so that's pretty good. That's pretty impressive. And you'll notice I didn't change anything with the title. I put, in big, bold, save your money, don't buy. And you can see what I did here very sneakily. I changed the WH to P, which spells poop. Pretty funny. So this is kind of a tactic that you can use. I have a bunch of other ones. I'm not going to share you the top secret ones, although these ones are pretty, I can't believe I'm sharing these. But now you get an idea. Take creative range. If you can make it like a social media post, which is, meant to be provocative, and, all these ones where it's just, the 5 best this, that's good SERP, but it's boring. You want to liven the Google page up a little bit, get some clicks to your page, and that is it. I wanted to make this one short. Hope you guys like it. Please comment, like, subscribe, whatever else you can do on YouTube, please. Thanks for watching.